Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ArchiCAD tutorial how to align texture. So for example, I will draw wall and then you can go to the 3D view. The next I will change for the materials, you can click here and choose the 100 block insulted cavity. In this wall, you can select and then change into this option. So we have the texture in this wall. Now if you want to align like from this corner point, you can select the object, go to document, click creative imaging and then go to align 3D texture. So here I will set the origin option and you can click from the corner. It will be automatically align the texture. Okay. I will set again, like in the top corner here for the origin. You can go to document, creative, align 3D texture and set origin. Click in this corner to set for the align texture. Okay, that's it for basic ArchiCAD tutorial how to align texture. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.